Hey guys, if you're interested in building a startup or a company, that channel is for you. Hey friends, so I'm Vadi and I'm building a startup. I'm starting from zero. I have no experience how to build it, but I gained some knowledge and I know I want to build something big. You'll see my winnings and my failures. So in the end, maybe you can learn from it and implement it in a better way as I am doing it. I'll try to summarize my weeks into one video, and maybe we'll do some features on some specific topics. We will see. Now it's like a process. So that's my first video. So I'm trying to get into it, get into the whole YouTube game, and try learn from it how to implement things, how to film things, how to do some short video content, everything. So it's very much to learn. We'll see how the process goes. So I'll try to be as transparent as I possibly can. Also, your feedback is very helpful. So if you have some suggestions how I can improve my content, it's always welcome. So let's start from the beginning. So I'm a front-end engineer. I'm working full-time. My schedule is very tough, but I try to invest as much time as possible in startup building and filming the process as well. My goal is to get to YC. It's Y Combinator. It's an accelerator from the US, based in San Francisco. I want to get there. That's like my end goal. Get some funding and building this like a big startup. Okay, let's summarize my 2 weeks. So I participated in Build Space. It's a program. They help you in 6 weeks to build your own cool stuff. And you are going through the whole iteration process of a startup. 70K participants were there. 5K lasted and made it through the 6 weeks. We should do some submissions every week on each process. We needed also to submit each week an update, what we did and how the progress is going. When you had submitted 3 weeks of the 6 weeks, you could participate in the IRL event, an in real life event in San Francisco. They told us where it will be and when it will be, 3 weeks before it happened. So I booked a ticket and I went there, and I can tell you it was such a great experience. I met so many cool people. Great projects, great music, great art, unbelievably great startups and ideas. It was crazy. So I booked the flight 3 weeks before. When I arrived, I met a great guy who just talked to me because I was working on my PC and everything. We talked, and he was also a build spacer, and we connected straight away and had a great time over the next few days and become friends. We also tried the driverless cars from Waymo. Guys, we are trying out a self-driving car. It's picking us up. Here it is, scanning everything. And I was very surprised that we just hopped in and we didn't even hesitate to try it out.
Hello from Waymo.
Imagine just fucking crash. it will crash suddenly.
Super crazy, right? It's one of the few places where you can do such things. Okay, let's go to the first day of the event. So many people, that's crazy. First day was all about networking, setting some goals for the end of this event.
And again, there's infinite ways to make progress. I'm not even gonna try to list everything. I just want you all to be creative in what you do. But again, I want you to show people, I want you to ask them what they think, and I want you to make your thing better. And if you do that for 3 days, every day, every hour of this day for the next 3 days, you'll walk out of here a different person. I promise.
The second day, I woke up early in the morning, had a run towards the Golden Gate Bridge, enjoyed a bit of like SF mood vibe. That was super nice. Day 2 was all about mentoring. We had the chance to speak to some amazing people, people working in big companies, people building startups, people already exited startups, or build space workers who are helping you like along the way. So I got a ton of feedback on my app and how to go further and how to implement a few things. And it's great to have such an opportunity. And yeah, afterwards we filmed a music video where we all participated, danced. Day 3 was a demo day. It's about presenting what we have built so far, so like over the 6 weeks. And my learning from demo day 3 is like you need to get feedback as soon as possible, because it's so valuable to get feedback from your current state so you can iterate on it and not going like into the wrong direction, building things that people don't want. So if you're building something or you're doing something, just get feedback now from real users that tried the app and can help you. And you can improve it along the way. It's super important. Yeah, so after demoing, we had some pizza and shaked our asses outside to the beats of MAYV. I'll take her below, and yeah, that's it. That was a great adventure where I learned a lot of stuff, and I'm happy that I flew there and got like super valuable feedback. I got to know some new people, and I think I made some friends for life. So getting back home, I know right now where to move my startup, and you will see in the next weeks where I'm heading and what I'm planning. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, and the bell. Bye-bye.